Struggling with leggy, sad seedlings? Stick with me, quick fix is coming. Step 1. Light is everything. Pop trays under bright grow lights. Or a sunny window, 14 to 16 hours. Rotate daily so stems don't lean. Step 2. Don't overwater. Wet and swampy? Nope. Water from below. Mist lightly. Aim for evenly moist, not boggy. Too wet invites rot and fungus. Step 3. Thin and toughen up. When true leaves pop, snip the weak ones. Give the strongest space and light. Harden off with short, cool outings. A few minutes more each day builds resilience. Pro tip: use a clear dome for humidity. Remove it before stems stretch. Do these 3 steps and your seedlings will thrive. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. If you're growing anything, you're losing if your soil's dead. Stop blaming the seed. Start checking beneath the surface. Here's the quick fix you can do today. Quick truth: most gardens fail from bad soil, not seeds. Compacted dirt, no life, no microbes. Wrong pH, too many chemicals. Those are the usual culprits. First clue: plants look sad and hungry, even with water and sun. Test the soil, simple pH strips, or a 20-ton soil test kit from the shop. If it's compacted, loosen it and add organic matter. Compost, leaf mold, worm castings, add a slow-release organic fertilizer. Mulch to lock moisture, introduce life, a handful of compost tea, or a wormery to jumpstart microbes. Rotate beds, avoid over-tilling to keep structure healthy. Do this and your soil starts to feed your plants, in weeks, not years. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. Albert, this 10-second garden hack will make your neighbors think you're a watering wizard. We've all been there, right? Standing in the garden with a hose, wondering if we're actually helping our plants or just making a soggy mess. Here's the thing most people get wrong about watering. They spray from above, but that just runs off the surface. Instead, try this. Take your hose and create a gentle depression around each plant's base. Now, fill that little basin slowly for exactly 10 seconds. That's it. The water goes straight to the roots where it's needed, nothing gets wasted, and your plants actually absorb every drop. Your garden will look incredible, and Albert next door will be asking for your secrets. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.